No, Daddy, you stay here if you don't want to break your neck.
I like that.
Ooh.
Check up here.
You sure you gonna make it?
I don't know. I did not wear the right shoes.
I know, I did.
Oh, that's cool.
You going in?
Yeah, I'm just recording it.
Oh.
I got you. Don't
Ooh.
worry.
Okay. Oh. Woo. Wow. Take off this mask.
Oh, yeah.
Well, there's a lot of people back there, but you can take it off now.
No, you gotta be spinning. I don't know where it's gonna take you. I wouldn't suggest that. We used to do it all the time.
Oh my gosh.
But it was easier because I was younger. There were more pants in it.
Wow.
Fascinating.
Please be careful going back down.
Oh, we will.
You want to go up that way? Go on up, Jen. I got you.
Our mountain climbing, or what? Climbing skills, or one lesson.
You got on the right shoes. I don't. Come on. Yeah, let me get from behind you in case you fall back.
Okay. There's a little hole, hopefully.
You don't see no body fat.
Jennifer.
I'm like, ooh. This is the phone.
Ooh.
Huh?
You want to rock climb? Well, how you get there?
Right. That's beautiful.
That is.
Okay, I just climbed that. Here comes Jennifer. It's pretty high.
You gotta come up.
Daddy's not going to make that, Ma.
You gotta see this.
What is it?
It's a cabin in an open area. It's a cabin in the woods. Let's get out. No. You gotta see it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
This is the main part. And the cabin is over there.
Oh, we're on some kind of... Oh,
See how it does? We just shortcut it, so the cabin is over there.
yeah.
Oh.
The paradise. Is that how it's going to feel coming in?
Let Caden enjoy it, honey. He's a boy.
Daddy and Caden's coming up this steep, these rocks. I don't think, just for the record, I don't think you should, but I'm just saying.
Hit the cabin.
Oh, Lord.
Robin, I want you to be careful. You get on your hands and knees if you have to.
Take your time.
Caden, look straight up.
Oh, this is such a bad idea. Call me paranoid, but if something happens, they can't say I didn't say something. I'm more worried about Daddy. Take your time. Slow down. I'm worried about Daddy.
Anybody recording this?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Okay, Robert.
Here.
Mom.
Okay.
And put your foot on there and use your hands too.
How old are you, Daddy?
62. Whoa, what's that?
62 plus. Go on out there and look. It's an open field.
See where you're gonna plant yourself.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Caden is a boy. You gotta let him be a boy.
Well, yes, but I also want to be safe too.
He did perfect.
He did. But there's always that what ifs.
See where your footing is at.
Oh.
Jennifer, he'll pull you down.
Oh, Lord.
That's not a good spot.
Ooh.
Look at the lower spot and come around. See it?
Yeah, come on that other side.
There you go.
Ooh, honey.
You want me to get out the way?
Oh.
What can you do?
Hey.
Now.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Use that little
Oh.
branch. See how little-
Oh. That might not hold him.
Yeah, it will. Yeah, it will. You already passed.
You passed it. Come on.
Oh my God. That hole. Please be careful. I am panicking over here.
Come this way.
Just. You almost said, please hold on. This is my face.
No, we don't.
She said no.
Oh my gosh.
Come on. I'm
I
right
got
behind
it.
you.
No. I got it.
Your balance.
Lord have mercy. This is such a bad idea.
I'm good.
Oh. Oh.
I can go the rest
Don't fall backwards. Just keep climbing up on your hands and
of
knees.
Y'all move out the way.
Yeah, well, I'm out the way.
I'm right here.
I got it.
Just come forward. Come forward. Keep going. Don't fall backwards.
Don't fall asleep.
Just come on. Come. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Oh. Get on up there. Oh, I'm having heart palpitations watching this. I'm over this.
Go straight and you'll see what happens.
Oh, Lord.
Robin, you're awesome.
Lord have mercy.
Girl. You're definitely a city girl.
No, I'm a safety girl. That's what I am.
A city girl. You have to survive the Great Tribulation. You be in trouble.
Well, if it don't require life-threatening rock climbing, then I guess I'm good.
Just might.
Well, hey, Jehovah will provide.
Not if you don't try to get them legs.
I got up there. I'm worried about everybody else.
You made it. Ain't there something?
Oh, Lord. This is what I got to live with.
Oh, you're recording us?
I'm recording. Oh, my God. Oh.
So.
I can't because I got vertical.
Maybe you shouldn't get to the edge then.
Hey.
I get vertigo too. I'm gonna go step right out here.
Exactly, right? Like, who does that?
Look at her.
Who does that?
Never heard from again.
I am. This is dangerous.
Look at Lynn.
Oh my God. Caden. Okay, you stay right there. Right there.
Let's do a jump shot.
Pull it apart.
You hiding behind that tree, huh? Ooh. You holding on to that tree any tighter?
This tree saves my life.
I feel you. That is beautiful, though. Look, though, it's beautiful.
It is, I know. Beauty of it. Oh yeah.
You go ahead
Oh, I
and
think somebody in there.
I think I'll hold it.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll hold it. Oh, we're good. Well, I was gonna use the bathroom until it looked the way it looked.
A latrine.
Yeah, I
That is
need
up to date.
flushable.
Y'all city girls.
Yeah.
Did y'all do it?
And I'm proud of it.
Look at it.
Oh.
It wasn't open. No, it wasn't open. And
I
then
thought
we'll,
somebody was using it. I thought.
I don't know. I think I'm good for now.
But you pulled. Did you push?
It was
She
locked.
pulled.
It was a lock on it. That's why I thought somebody was using it.
I think it looks around about trees.
And a lot of people.
I have no trouble doing it. I know
Indecent exposure is a
y'all
thing.
city girls.
Oh, they got a good.
Still can. You just gotta climb up.
We did not come all this way to be stopped. No.
That's where we used to go.
Really?
I said when we came, we had this flashlight. We brought the littlest inky flashlight, and we would go so far because it kept going like in little crevices.
Yeah.
But the flashlight got, the further you go in, the darker it got.
Yeah.
So we could only go in so far.
Oh, ooh.
But back in the day, this wasn't here. You would just go right in there.
How far? And you said you couldn't go in too far?
We went in past that little part right there. It's a little, but after a while, it kind of gets so narrow. Your body can't fit. But we always had the little dinky flashlights. But I do remember this. Of course, this was not here then.
Yeah, I used to come up here.
And it goes toward the right. And it's a little cold. It's cold in there too.
The days are usually cold.
I'm sorry, it's closed off. I didn't think it was.
I still
okay.
I still like it.
There's water all through here, so you may not want to come this way.
Let's go around.
Yeah, it's a little river. Just think if you came out here real late at night, you'd probably see the bats come out.
Probably. Wow. Oh, well, at least we made it. Is it open? Oh, wow. Okay, then be careful.
What was it showing?
Take a picture.
A ravine?
There's people above you.
Sure. I don't know if I can. This is a little steep from the mama.
Ma, be
Go
careful.
any further, please move out the way so we can get a good picture.
Oh,
I can't make it through that.
so we just barely made it up there.
Yeah.
And this is what it looks like.
Mom, enough introduction.
Okay, hold on, Katie. Can I get? Because Grandma can't make it. I want her to see.
Can we please enjoy?
Right. You were always the last one taking your pictures.
I took my pictures.
Oh. Wow, this is cool. We took the hard way.
Yes, you did.
Oh, Lord. This is beautiful. Wow, look at the oh, you know what? The camera don't do it justice. The color of this moss on here. So what pictures you wanted to show me, Katie?
What is this place called? Kendall, Virginia?
Oh,
Virginia.
interesting.
Oh, and this is interesting. Oh my.
Oh.
There was even a drawing of a horse.
Look, yeah, there's a horse over here.
I feel like something crawled down that side.
Wow, that is a horse.
So this is the much easier way Ma took.
Careful, Kay.
Yeah, this is so much easier. Be careful, babe. Oh, be careful, Ma. Remember, your shoes are slippery.
Be careful now.
So I made it to the very end, unscathed. And just as we were finishing up, banged my leg a little bit, so I'm a little injured. I'm in pain a little bit, not bad. And I got myself dirty. Look at it. Oh, can you see it?
Normal people can't get back there anymore.
I'm dirty. Yep, I know I wore all the wrong things, all the wrong clothes, the wrong shoes, everything. So I almost made it.
Y'all ready?
So we're gonna.
We're going to try to find a shortcut, baby.
You tired? Yeah, look, they tired now.
Look at this.
Okay,
That mosquito's after you.
let's try to make it out of here in one
I
piece.
don't think it's a mosquito though.
And I chose to.
Oh, did you see this? Rats are dying.
What?
Rats are dying. Help us protect them.
Oh, that's why the cave is closed. This is what it says.
In the northeastern and eastern United States, WNS is spread primarily by bats, but may also be spread by humans carrying fungal spores on gear and clothing between caves.
So I'm gonna go ahead, end it here. We're gonna head home. And thanks for watching. And whew, hope you come back to my channel again next time.
Peace.
And peace.
Peace.
All right. Bye.